the gar.
Here it is.
Okay.
Didn't even want to catch this, but
Oh fuck.
damn, where the hell is he hooked? Oh, he wrapped himself. Okay.
Okay, bring me the...
Okay, I got the pliers right here. Damn it. I want a peacock bass, not a gar.
Sit down over there. Let's bring it here.
Be careful with his teeth and the boat. He's hooked under the jaw, okay?
Okay.
You got him?
Oh yeah.
Hold on.
This is
Hold on.
dangerous. Oh shit. I'm sorry, bro. You got it?
He's slippery as fuck. Okay.
Okay.
Here. That's not the appropriate place
Yeah.
for pliers to be. Okay. Motor.
Oh,
Backwards. This guy's gonna be off soon, but yeah. There we go. Let's drift over there. God damn it. Okay.
That's a better place.
Unhook him. He's very easy to unhook.
Hold on. Not so easy. Oh shit!
Damn it! It's so slippery.
Okay. Oh god. Mission impossible. Don't worry. He's not gonna stab the things. Just like grab it.
Hold on, I don't have a grip on him. Hold on. Got him. Oh,
There you go. Oh!
Great, now he just left me full of slime and no picture. Oh well.